So now let's see how we can work around with photo filter inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with photo filter, first of all, you need to go around onto the image menu and then go to adjustment right here. So once you go around onto adjustment, you can see that photo filter is an option. And once you go around onto photo filter, then this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and apply a particular color right here and change around the density of the color as well. You can preserve luminosity, but if you were to disable it, then it's not luminous anymore. But if I were to go around and do that, the luminosity is preserved and you get an old photo-like effect. You can go around and choose different color for the effect right here. So you got green color, that is blue color right here. You can go for green color right here as well and change around the density of the effect right here, just like this. You can make it look like an old picture. Let's just go around for, let's say for example, yellow, and you got that particular color right there, just like that. And if I were to go around and press OK, then the photo filter is applied. And that is how you can work around with photo filter effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.